Are you tired of putting your heart and soul into your videos only for them to go unnoticed? Listen, I'm with you. I completely understand. And today I'm going to share with you the exact script structure I've taught to loads of entrepreneurs to ensure that your videos grab attention, resonate with your audience, and actually drive results. I understand how frustrating it feels to sit there with a blank page wondering how to turn your ideas into a video that makes people stop scrolling. I've been there. But here's the thing, video isn't about being perfect. It's about being real. And when you learn how to structure your message effectively, you'll find that creating videos is not just doable, it's really powerful. And in this video, I'm going to show you the key elements of a successful script, including how to hook viewers, how to build trust, how to deliver real value without fluff. So stick with me because this structure could be the game changer that your video content needs. When I first started transitioning from a career predominantly in TV production to also then teaching entrepreneurs how to use video, I realized that the broadcasting rules didn't always apply to business videos. I had to, in some senses, unlearn and focus on what truly connects with people in a very noisy online world. What I learned and what marketing science backs up is that the best scripts don't just inform, they also connect and engage emotionally. People connect with authenticity, and a strong structure allows your real message to shine through without any distractions. In a second, I'm going to explain how to add personality to your script so your audience feels like they know you. But first, let's tackle the most important part of the structure, the hook. The hook is everything. It's your audience's first impression of your video, and it determines whether they stay or they scroll on. Those first 3 to 5 seconds need to grab attention. They need to spark curiosity and also promise value. And here are 5 examples of hooks and why they work so well. Firstly, you've got the bold question, something like, are your videos failing to engage? This type of hook immediately connects with the audience's pain point. It's direct, relatable, and forces viewers to think about their own struggles. And if the answer to the question is yes, they're already invested in finding a solution for that pain point, which you're about to provide in the video. The second type of hook I'm going to share with you is the surprising stat. Something like 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. Statistics grab attention because they're factual, they're unexpected sometimes, and they instantly provide value. A stat like this will also make viewers think about their own videos. Maybe thinking something in this case like, wait, is my content optimized for silent viewing? The third thing you can do is to start with a quick anecdote. Something like, when I started, I couldn't even look at the camera without cringing, which is actually true. Sharing a personal story like that makes you feel a little more human and relatable. It builds trust because you're showing vulnerability and reminding viewers that you understand and empathize with their journey. Plus, people love stories. They're hardwired to pay attention to them. Then also you could try a hook where you tease the solution. Something like, today I'm going to show you a script structure that works every single time. This hook creates anticipation. It promises something specific and valuable, giving viewers a reason to stick around. When you hint at a solution, you're building that intrigue while subtly positioning yourself as an expert. Also, of course, you can create urgency. Something like, if you're not doing this, you're losing viewers fast. Humans are wired to act when they feel a sense of urgency. This hook also plays on FOMO, fear of missing out, and makes the viewer think, am I missing something critical? That feeling keeps them engaged to find out what they're going to need to fix. And what all these hooks have in common is that they speak directly to the viewer, whether by addressing a pain point, sparking curiosity, or creating an emotional connection. And they work because they promise value right away. Coming up, we're going to tackle the fear that stops so many people from even starting. The idea that no one wants to hear from me. Trust me, in a second, we're going to reframe that to get you ready to show up confidently on your videos. Now let's talk about credibility. Your audience needs to know why they should trust you. But here's the thing, crafting a credibility statement doesn't have to be complicated or feel like you're showing off or bragging. It's about being clear, concise, and importantly, relevant. Here's a simple 3-step process to help you create your credibility statement. Firstly, identify your key expertise. Start by asking yourself, what do I bring to the table that my audience values most? Maybe it's years of experience, maybe it's a unique perspective, or perhaps you've got some really specific and amazing results that you've achieved. For example, something like, I've helped over 50 businesses grow their online presence, or I've spent 25 years mastering storytelling techniques for major broadcasters. Step 2, you need to highlight the audience benefit. You need to shift the focus from you to your audience. Why does your expertise matter to them? Think about their goals and pain points. For instance, this means I know exactly how to help you structure your videos so they grab attention. Also, another example might be, with my framework, you're going to connect with your audience and grow your business. Step 3, use AI to refine your message. Listen, if you're struggling to find the right words, AI can really help you polish your statement. Tools like ChatGPT even can take your draft and make it way more impactful, and here's how. Firstly, input your draft credibility statement and ask the AI to make suggestions to make it more concise or compelling. Use a prompt like, make this statement sound professional yet approachable. Test variations of your statement and see what feels authentic and right for you and that resonates with your voice. Let's look at an example. Your first draft may be, I've been working in marketing for 10 years. That sounds pretty beige. A more refined version might be, with 10 years of marketing experience, I specialize in helping small businesses attract more clients with effective strategies tailored just for them. AI can be a fantastic brainstorming tool, but remember, the final statement should absolutely sound like you. Authenticity always wins. Let me know in the comments right now, what's been your biggest challenge when it comes to creating your own video content so far? I'd really love to help you overcome any roadblocks to progress. Now, one of the common traps people come across is thinking something along the lines of, well, what can I possibly say that hasn't already been said? Or what if I say the wrong thing and upset someone? First, remember this, your uniqueness is your superpower. The way that you see the world, the way that you explain things, and the way that you connect with people cannot be replicated. And that is what makes your message unique and valuable. So stop trying to please everyone. Not everyone is going to resonate with your content, and that's normal. And by the way, that's okay. You're creating for your ideal audience, the people who need to hear your message. Please believe me when I say there is an audience out there for you. It's just about finding them. Now, in the next video, we're going to take you through the rest of this script structure framework, including how to create powerful calls to action that convert, how to use teasers to keep people watching throughout the whole of your videos, and also I'm going to share some simple strategies for boosting engagement. If you've ever struggled to keep your audience engaged, or if you're unsure about how to guide them to take action, you definitely don't want to miss it. You've learned how to hook your audience. We talked about building trust. We've talked about starting to overcome those inner doubts. Keep going, because your message matters and there's someone out there who desperately needs to hear it. So click on the video on screen right now to continue this journey. I really look forward to seeing you over there in a second.